Okay, part 3 is a good question. It says, explain with the aid of a sketch why the answer to part 2 doesn't give you the area enclosed by the curve. So what it's getting at here, and we need to use the factorised form to figure this out, is the fact that if we were to sketch this graph, which would have two roots at 2 and 3 and another root at -5, it's a positive cubic, so it's going to look something like this. And the question is, why is the answer to part 2, not the total area between -5 and 3? And the reason is because some of the curve is above the graph, the x-axis, but some of the curve is below the x-axis. So the answer to part 2 is actually this area take away this area. So the answer is because part of the graph is below the x-axis, which is between 2 and 3. So we'll subtract from the area that is above the x-axis, the bit that's between 2 and -5. So it's the fact that this area will take away, will be subtracted rather than added to this area here.